Rob Briggs here from Nanotech Projection Screens by Precise 360. Can't wait for you guys to experience dark screen technology at very, very affordable pricing. We at Precise 360 are going to be going after a whole bunch of, actually the industry. We're going to try to change the industry. We know we have something. Some people say, oh, you're not, ready, but we think we are. So, get ready. Pricing is going to pretty much blow everybody out of the water. White screens are dead. White and light. Dark screens are the future. With ambient light, amazing angle gain, 124-inch customized screen, get ready guys, launching in June. We are going to be very affordable and very aggressive. Lights are on full blast, I will show you. Till next video.